In today's digital age, WordPress offers numerous avenues to generate a substantial income. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a total newbie, WordPress presents various opportunities to earn a living online. Here, we explore 12 proven methods to make money with WordPress, catering to different skill sets and interests. 1. Freelance writing, content creation. One of the simplest ways to start making money is through freelance writing. Millions of websites constantly seek fresh content, and you can be the solution. Whether contributing to online blogs or job boards like Upwork and ProBlogger Jobs, freelance writing offers a great entry point. Having an online portfolio showcasing your work can be beneficial. Include a bio, social profiles, and links to published posts to give potential employers a good sense of your writing style and reach. 2. Create and monetize a blog. Why not start your own WordPress blog? Launching a blog is a recommended strategy in the online business world. From affiliate marketing, selling ads, or sponsored reviews, a blog can generate passive income. Affiliate programs like ThemeForest, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate are great starting points. Additionally, you can sell ads via platforms like Buy-Sell Ads or Google AdSense. You can also offer sponsored posts, guiding brands willing to pay for reviews and sponsored content. 3. WordPress Courses. If you're confident in your skills, why not create and monetize online courses? Millions of people are eager to learn new skills online. Platforms like Udemy and Lynda facilitate course creation and monetization. Alternatively, host your courses directly on your WordPress site to retain full earnings using plugins and membership systems. 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. WordPress, particularly with plugins like WooCommerce, is an excellent platform to build an e-commerce website. Whether selling your own products or starting a dropshipping store, e-commerce is a lucrative opportunity. With dropshipping, a third party handles shipping, allowing you to focus on sales. 5. Blog Setup Service. Ideal for beginners, a blog setup service involves setting up WordPress, uploading themes, and installing necessary plugins. You can attract clients through blog posts, social media, and even paid advertising. Offering multiple service packages or affiliate-based free setups can diversify your income streams. 6. Website maintenance. Website owners often seek professionals to handle daily maintenance tasks. By providing services such as WordPress updates, security monitoring, and plugin updates, you can generate ongoing income. Plugins like Infinite WP, Main WP, and Manage WP make site management more straightforward, allowing you to efficiently handle multiple clients. 7. SEO and Marketing Services. If you have expertise in SEO, you can offer optimization services. Website owners often pay a premium for SEO help, including content optimization, link building, and site speed improvements. Marketing services extend this by managing ads, newsletters, and social media campaigns, profitable areas you can expand into. 8. Security consulting and solutions. For those with robust security knowledge, consultancy services offer a high income potential. Services can range from security audits, hardening setups, SSL installations, and malware removal. Developing a specialization in WordPress security can make your consultancy highly sought after. 9. WordPress plugin development. WordPress plugins add extra functionality to blogs, making them indispensable. If you can solve a problem with a plugin, you can sell it for profit. Platforms like CodeCanyon or your own website can be sales channels. Identifying popular plugins and their revenue models can guide your own plugin development strategy. 10. WordPress theme development. Theme development is another avenue for web designers and developers. High-quality, appealing themes are always in demand. Joining a team or an established company can be a good starting point. You can sell your themes on platforms like Template Monster, ThemeForest, and Creative Market, or directly from your website. 11. Theme customization. Advanced developers can offer customization services, tweaking themes and plugins to client specifications. Many WordPress users need someone to make specific changes to their themes. By offering these services, you can generate additional income alongside your regular job or projects. 12. WordPress design services. There is always a need for specialized design services. Offering customized design for WordPress sites can cater to businesses looking for unique layouts and functionalities. This area can be lucrative, especially if paired with ongoing maintenance and optimization services. Conclusion: WordPress is full of opportunities to generate income. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up to our channel Clever Money Ideas. Thanks for watching.